I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make some delicious island chicken. Now we're going to wrap up our island chicken platter with some really fun ingredients. These are great. It's a good addition to what we already have there. We have our pineapple, which we've diced, some cherry tomatoes, some banana chips that I'm going to crumble, macadamia nut walnut topping, and we have some dates. These dates have been rolled in coconut, so there's a little bit extra to them, and I'm just going to chop them up. We've got sweet and fruity and, you know, the luscious chicken with the yogurt marinade. Okay, so let's get some pineapple. We'll do things in rows. I'm going to continue like I've been, putting everything in kind of in rows. There we go. There's that. Some banana chips that I crushed up. I'm crushing up. And then some of our dates. Going to be really, you know, dates have a really kind of chewy, delicious texture to them. And then I'm going to take some cherry tomatoes, slice them in half. And we're going to drop them on. And we're just about there. Doesn't that look delicious? It makes me hungry. It smells good and it looks great. It really looks like a party on a plate. When we come back, we're going to finish this island chicken platter and it's almost time to eat.